Welcome to Market House, the coolest student accommodation in the heart of Newcastle upon Tyne. Choose your perfect pad from the awesome range of ensuite and studio options. Each room is fully furnished with a comfy double bed, flat-screen TV, high-speed Wi-Fi, dedicated workstation, ample storage space, along your own private ensuite shower. But that's not all. Market House means you'll have access to fantastic property facilities. Unleash your competitive spirit in the spacious games room, or take the fun outside with the tranquil outdoor social space, perfect for enjoying the sun. And when the day winds down, the communal events are here to connect you with like-minded souls and create lasting memories. Talking about location, Market House is smack dab in the heart of Leicester, just a hop, skip, and jump away from Newcastle University, Newcastle College, and into Newcastle University. When weekends hit, indulge in the local culinary delights at Granger Market or explore the extensive menus at Fat Hippo Newcastle, just a short drive away. Additionally, essentials like Tesco Express and Sainsbury's Local are a leisurely stroll away. Additionally, enjoy excellent transport links right outside your doorstep, connecting you to various destinations effortlessly. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to amberstudent.com and book the best stay today.